So I thought I'm just literally, while Rowan's asleep and Isla is about to have her dinner, I thought I would pack her Disney bag. So I'm going to literally just take this like rucksacky wheelie rucksack. It's a bit weird, wasn't it? And then this is what I'm packing her. So we're away for 3 days, so I thought I'm going to take this nice, I'm trying to make her feel really special, so I'm going to take all of her special clothes. That's like a special nightie. So I'm going to pack that Disney nightie. I've got some Frozen joggers. I'm going to take these Frozen joggers. These nice jeans that are River Island jeans, they're like glitzy. Then I'm going to take these Small World ears just in case Small World's open. I don't know if it will be, but we're like fingers crossed any day now. They said the spring, so hopefully a few hair bobbles, pair of socks. She's got one pair of glitzy tights. And then I've got 2 different tops. So I've got this nice River Island long sleeve top. This nice River Island top. It's a lovely one, that one. It's quite thick as well, so it'll be nice and warm. And then I've got her 2 big what are they? Her 2 new Disney 100 tops. So that's her jumper, and then we've also got the new Disney 100 Spirit jersey. So let's flip that over so you can see the back. So the back it's a stunning Spirit jersey. I'm desperate for it. When I find one, I'll be buying it. So I'm hoping I can get one when we're there. That's lovely. It's a nice Spirit jersey. So that's her 3 days worth, well, 2 days. That's 2 days worth of outfits there. Then she's got a really special outfit here. So the 30th anniversary t-shirt. Bought last March. She's taking that. And then I'm taking her Billy Blush jacket. We actually bought this in Disney. There's a shop in the Disney Studios, so we bought it from there. No, Disney Village, sorry. And the matching skirt. I'm gonna take, she's gonna look super nice in that, really nice. I really want to get loads of nice pictures. I've got some spray for her, body spray, because she likes to be smelly. I'm gonna pack her specialist hairdryer I use. I'm just gonna show you what I use. So I use this hairdryer for her. And it's £18 from B&M, and it's really good. It's full of her hair because I've used it today, but it's really good at helping with knots. If children don't like knots, it's a real good help. So that's everything I'm packing for Isla. We've got 10 days till we go, and I'm super excited. We're not there for very long. We're only there for like 2.5 days really, but we're there just for the annual pass event. So we weren't planning on going to Disneyland Paris so soon. Like, we've had our major big trip this year, Disneyland Paris, but we weren't planning on going again till Halloween. So it's a real extra trip. So yeah, 9 days. Please do like and subscribe. Bye.